Storage silos are cool. There is no way of denying that. For those who don't know what a storage silo is, essentially it is this super simple contraption where if you have a mega efficient farm, you can make that farm run its items through this line of hoppers. This will automatically put all of the stuff in the chests, and there will be these redstone lamps which will activate every single time you have a full double chest of an item. So this is a very visual way of seeing how many double chests of items you have, and this is expandable to a height limit. Now when it comes to decoration, you are going to need to make your walls too thick, otherwise here through the gap we can see we can look through this. So definitely make your construction 2 blocks deep. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to make a storage silo for a 8 double chest version. This is basically expandable, so all you have to do is continue repeating the pattern. But if you just need one for 8 double chests, these are all of the ingredients necessary. So your first job is to place 2 chests like this, place a redstone lamp, and then on the opposite side put a hopper pointing into that chest. Do that as high as you want your storage silo to be. Next thing you want to do is place a row of whatever block here against these redstone lamps. Then simply place a block every second block going up like this. Don't do the top one because we're going to be putting comparators on top, and if I were to do the top one and put a comparator, there wouldn't be any hoppers here to detect. So don't do the top one though. So your thing should look a bit like this. Then what you want to do is put another set of blocks like this every time there's a gap here. So like this, like this, and here we go. So normally you should have something looking like this. Next thing to do is put comparators like this, all pointing towards these hoppers. So on the yellow blocks and on the blue blocks. So very easy. And this is how we'll be detecting the items. Now what you're going to want to do is put temporary blocks like this all around, so something like this. Next, place a block like this between those temporary blocks. Normally now you should have something looking like this. Don't get rid of your temporary blocks quite yet. What you want to do is put a repeater pointing like this, then add another set of repeaters pointing into the orange blocks like this. Normally you should have sort of tunnel in the middle in which you can go, but we have still one more step to do before we're actually done. That is to place blocks between all of our temporary blocks and here on top like this. Then simply get rid of your temporary blocks and you are done. Congratulations. For all of those redstoners out there who are curious and want to know how exactly does this work, essentially we have 2 circuits which detect whether there are any items which are backed up in the hopper. If so, it powers the redstone lamp. Now the reason why we have 2 different circuits is simply so that we can put the chests on top of each other. Otherwise we need to put a 1 block gap between them, but that would be very not aesthetically pleasing. So circuits do the same thing. As you see here, both chests are full with sugarcane. Now I did say that it detects when the chest is full of sugar, full of an item. Well, that was a bit of a lie. It only detects whether there is backup items in the hopper. If so, it gets detected, it goes around, powers the redstone lamp, and same thing goes for here, although this one has a shorter circuit, but they do exactly the same thing. So it only really detects when there is backup in the hoppers. For example, this chest is full. Let's go to the back. its hopper is full, this hopper is full, this hopper is full, like that, ta-da. And that is how we have this redstone contraption working. Look, for example, here this one isn't quite yet full, which means that any sugarcane which comes down in here will be put into the chest, meaning that there'll be no backup in the hopper itself, so our redstone lamp is off. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and do agree with me that this is definitely one of the best contraptions out there. This is simple, this is clean, and this is cool. In any case, see you in the next video.